Forgotten username recovery failed on Wealthfront Cash Account Fix. If you're locked out of your Wealthfront Cash account because you forgot your username, most people try the wrong email or skip essential steps. The good news is that with the right process, you can recover your account quickly and securely. Step 1. Open the Wealthfront app or go to the login page and select Forgot Username. Enter the email address associated with your account. Wealthfront will send a recovery email with your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails often get filtered automatically, so make sure you don't miss it. Avoid sending multiple requests in a short time, as this can temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, collect verification information like your full name, recent deposits or withdrawals, and account details. Contact Wealthfront support with these details to speed up the recovery process. Step 4. Once you've retrieved your username, store it securely in a password manager or secure note. Enabling two-factor authentication adds another layer of protection, preventing future login issues. By following these steps, you can regain access to your Wealthfront Cash account without stress. Proper verification, patience, and secure credential management are essential for keeping your funds, account history, and financial tools safe and accessible.